modern shipping container homes plans and modular prefab design ideas. CLIFFBOX 640. Hello and welcome to today's video. This video brings to you CLIFFBOX 640. This is a modern shipping container house designed using two 40-foot shipping containers to form a 640 plus square foot house. This video covers a complete presentation of dimensioned floor plans, a cost estimate checklist, and detailed drawings you can download for free to use on your own shipping container house project. Watch to the end of the video for the link to download the floor plans and a cost estimate checklist to guide you on your container house project. We post weekly videos on custom designed shipping container houses, and design reviews of homes from around the world. Feel free to subscribe to our channel for our inspiring weekly videos. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. The structure and design brief. This 3-bedroom, 640 plus square foot house is made from two recycled 40-foot high cube shipping containers. One of the containers sit on a pier foundation and the other is stacked on top cantilevered to create a two-storied house in form of a cliff box. The design decision: we prefer using high cube containers because they are 300 mm taller than a standard container. This provides an extra foot of ceiling insulation without compromising the headroom of the habitable space. The container on the top is cantilevered to create a dynamic outdoor retreat area under the cantilevered canopy and a roof terrace on top. The 40-foot container on the lower level houses a guest bedroom, fully fitted kitchen, a bathroom and a living room. On top, we have a stylish master bedroom with a full bathroom and walk-in closet, a rumpus/children bedroom and a family terrace. The upper story is accessed by lightweight steel stairs made from recycled container cuttings mounted on a steel frame and welded onto the wall of the lower container. The staircase is housed in an iconic stair shaft made from different materials to introduce flair into the house design. The shaft acts as vertical circulation in addition to providing structural support to the cantilevered container and also adding to the aesthetics and charm of the house design. The top of the staircase is covered with an elevated skillion roof covered in corrugated sheets. The floating ends of the boxes are transformed into Juliet balconies for the master bedroom upstairs and recessed doors to the living room below. In addition, the resultant end panel openings are fitted with full-height sliding glass doors. Sliding doors are good space savers compared to swing doors, making them ideal to use in a container house. The iconic Juliet balcony on the cantilevered master bedroom elevation is covered in red painted steel fins for privacy. As a sustainable design statement, the exterior of the upper-level shipping containers are left as they are, including its original yellow color and markings. Different materials for the window bands and the staircase shaft have been used to emphasize the fenestrations. Foundation and modifications. The containers sit on a reinforced concrete pier foundation to elevate them from moisture. The foundation is made of 8 300 mm square by 450 mm high concrete piers, spaced 3 meters apart center to center. For a storied container house, remember to consult a structural engineer on the size and the load-bearing capacity of the foundation piers to use. This pier foundation allows for continuous airflow to keep the container cool and enable plumbing with ease. Walls of shipping containers are inherently structural and load-bearing. In addition, shipping container modules are designed to be stacked at the corners. Loading them at any other position or cutting out too much steel from the walls for doors and windows interferes with the structural integrity and strength of shipping containers. Our design principle as shelter mode homes: we do not tamper with the roof and the floor of shipping container modules. It is very costly to restore the roof and the floor as compared with bracing and reinforcing the walls for window and door cutouts. In this design, very little steel is cut out from the containers to warrant any special reinforcement. Outdoor living space. Apart from the drainage and moisture benefits, The elevated position of the house provides the height necessary to construct a deck. A deck is a quick and easy way to add extra living space to a container home by greatly extending outdoors the compact living space inside a shipping container. The space under the cantilever can be used as an outdoor retreat space. In addition, the roof of the lower containers create a private family terrace on the first level, even creating more outdoor space. The terrace is accessed by 2.1 meters by 2.7 meters sliding glass door. The house is accessed from the side with wooden steps. Furniture and interior design ideas. Fitting furniture into a shipping container home can be a challenge. Most furniture hasn't been designed specifically for such small spaces. Multifunctional transforming furniture and other space-saving essentials effortlessly transform from one use to another, allowing a single space to perform more than one function. To complement the industrial look of the container, it's advisable to adopt a minimalist design to make the narrow space feel somewhat spacious. To minimize the claustrophobic feel of living in a shipping container, the walls of the living area are finished in monochrome light-colored paint. Since this is a container house, consider using similar materials to finish the interior spaces, in order to maintain that industrial look. This repetitive theme creates harmony, therefore making the house appear bigger. Consider using a vertical wall-in bed or a Murphy bed in the children and guest bedrooms. Stackable chairs and easy lounge seats can be used for the outdoor dining and sitting under the cantilever. Insulation and temperature control. Shipping containers are made of corten steel. Steel is a good conductor of heat, therefore, to live in a shipping container home, you need to insulate the exterior walls. Insulation is one of the most important aspects of turning a container into a comfortable home. Without insulation, a container home would be like an oven in summer and freezing in winter. Insulation is also essential to preventing condensation, which can corrode the container and form mold. Use spray foam insulation on the walls and ceiling to provide an airtight seal and prevent condensation, if you are building in a cold and wet climate. The cantilevered containers are covered with an elevated corrugated steel roof to guard it from rain and direct sunlight. In addition, the corrugated steel roof is elevated above the container roof to allow for airflow to keep the container interior cool in summer. Consider covering the remaining part of the container top with a roof garden planted with native plants and flowers. Design the garden planter in such a way that it sit in a steel frame above the roof of the container, to allow for airflow and keep the weight off the non-structural container roof. The green roof adds both charm and natural insulation from direct solar gain. The cost estimates checklist. This checklist is to guide you on the items to consider in your own container project. The prices of the items are subject to vary depending on your country, currency exchange rates, taxes, and government regulations. For correct and factual figures, consult the relevant experts in your country. What do you feel about our new house design? If you have any question, feel free to ask by posting in the comments below. If you need further inspiration, check out our other container homes designs such as ECOBOX 160, ECOBOX 320, LIFTBOX 480, BLOCKBOX 640, SHEARBOX 640, LOFTBOX 1280 and CROSSBOX 640. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe to our channel for our weekly videos on shipping container homes. You can download all the plans from our website on the link in the description below. For further consultations, consult us on our website. See you in the next video.